Hello again, Gateway students, and welcome to another edition of www.sketchup.com free. Today's lesson also incorporates photop.com, which is also free. It's very similar to Photoshop. Try to use these two projects and make a final graphic of an imaginary aerospace company that might be in competition with SpaceX. Plausible, fictional company advertisement page. Let's begin. First, I'm going to go to SketchUp, and we've already created either a 3D rover or a 3D probe to use. And I'm going to demonstrate new tools to have fun. And you can see here my imaginary rover we've already created. I'm going to click open. And what I just want to do is introduce you to this tool here. It looks like a rectangular prism and a cylinder together. It's called styles. So you select that. And then you go towards the bottom, you might find these different categories of preloaded styles that are in SketchUp, assorted styles. You click it, and then you can select. And if you like that color combo, you can hit print screen, or you can explore. I like that effect. And there's many to choose from. Don't let me. I do like that effect. So you can pick a few if you like and turn them in. Hit print screen, crop it, turn it in for fun. Here's one that I like. Okay, and there's a set of default styles. Some have fine lines, some have sketch lines, photo modeling, I don't know. Ugh. Straight lines. That looks nice. Well, some are much more fun than others, but I believe this style. So with that said, here's my page. I'm going to move to these three lines and select those three lines and go export as PNG. And don't forget to select the button at the bottom right, export as PNG. All right. Now that file, imaginary rover, went into my downloads folder. Maybe it's in your recents folder. So I'm going to downloads myself because that's how my computer works. Select. I think you got to click open someplace. Oops. Double click. There we go. Well, I know it's there. My mistake. I want to go to Photop now. So the next step is to open Photop. Open from computer. There's Imaginary Rover 3. Click open. And now I want to look at the composition and think, how could I put my company name? One thing I recommend possibly, for instance, I've decided I want my 3D rover to be that composition. So I'm going to crop that down to that size right there and leave this in the lower right. Edit, copy, file, new, create, edit, paste. You can pause this video and try that. Next I want to do is, you see how I have a white background layer, but the real background is layer 1. Just be aware of your layers. Go to the text, T for text, click. Now I've created a new text layer, and it preloads a font that I don't appreciate. So I go up here to the first corner up here in the upper left and look for a bold font. My preference is bold. And you can have a preference if you like, then try it. I'm going to try this one. Okay, now the next thing is maybe click the size and make sure that you see the line that just grew, that it's of a nice size, and have in mind what is the name of your space company. Imaginary space company. Okay, so I'm going to click the T, and there I can verify that my line is the size that it's going to be. This is Rover Concepts Unlimited. And I can also, once I've typed it in, go to you can change the color. There's a variety of options. You change the color of your font if you want. So I highlighted it. Up here is the color. Pick a different color. Or maybe like a bluer blue. There's the new color. Click OK. I have to deselect. Select this box. Now you can go to layer style, stroke. That one's kind of neat. Or just maybe, remember, position on the outside. Change the color if you don't like that color. Click there. Ooh, that's nice. I'll just go with this color. Just keep it simple. Or click OK. If you don't keep it simple, you can just reapply a secondary feature on the same text. Layer style. I like bevel and emboss. Ooh, and I really like how that turned out. So now you can slide and investigate. Ooh. As you can see, I can just play with it. Up here for bevel, you can always emboss. See how that looks? Ugh. Outer bevel. That's nice. Inner bevel. Depth. The depth is too great for me. I like it. That. Size. Tighten up the size. There I go. And if you like, you can add a third. Just showing you the options. Maybe a drop shadow. Just the density here. Opacity could be much darker so we can see it. The spread, I don't know. Ooh, size. Kind of like that. Just There we go. Maybe the distance could be closer. Yeah, just a slight little shadow. Think like that. Okay. Finally, if you want, make sure you return to the background layer. If you so choose, you can put a layer border, layer style. Sorry, cancel. Layer, stroke. Put the stroke on the inside and then squeeze the border in. Click OK. And if you want to put a catchphrase in here, you could. But for now, I'm just going to file, export as a PNG or JPEG if you choose. Make sure you slide the slider to 100 and save. There. New project 4 is in my downloads folder. So I'm going to verify. There it is. And that's the image you want to turn in for assignment credit. This is a combination of skills. Good luck.